So for these big pieces, I like to get an outline done. You can see here it's my whole bicep, so I'm using a 3RL and Stupid Black ink is what it's called. And I'm just poking one time per dot, trying to get the stencil on there before it rubs off. It seems like it really rubs off very quickly for me, so this is always the most stressful part, is getting the stencil onto the skin before it gets rubbed all the way off. With my needles, I just use medical tape and a paper towel wrapped around the needle. It seems to be pretty comfortable for my hands. Here's day 2 in a row, second day. It's using red ink here. My red ink is very thick, so it's harder to use and it's really messy. But I'm just using a 15 RL to try to really poke it in. Here's a actual speed shot. Just continue packing it in, trying to get a red background on top for the black stipple to be on top of. Here's day 3. You can see I've done a lot of the red there, and now I'm working on some of the solid blacks. Again, I'm using a 15 RL. Here's a normal speed. Solids usually take the most amount of time because they take multiple passes. Here's the beginning of day 4. I was starting to really get irritated, so I just tried to finish up as much as I could and finish some of the stippling for the next sessions. This is again a 3RL for the dots here. And this is the end of the first 4 days, and hopefully I'll finish it up here in about 2 or 3 weeks when I can do the rest. Thanks for watching.